Imagine a laptop that not only meets your demanding work needs but also leverages cutting-edge AI technology to boost your productivity. Meet the HP EliteBook X G1a, the AI PC that's turning heads. Recently unveiled at HP's headquarters, the EliteBook X G1a packs a powerful AMD Ryzen AI9HX Pro375 processor and a remarkable 55 TOPS NPU, setting a new standard in commercial laptops. Let's dive into what makes this device a game-changer. Many of us have experienced the frustration of underwhelming AI features in laptops, tools that promise more than they deliver. Early models often boasted high TOPS ratings but fell short in practical applications. Features like Windows Studio Effects and Microsoft's Copilot Plus struggled to enhance user experience, leading to skepticism around the viability of AI in everyday computing. With so much potential in AI, why are so many products failing to deliver real value? HP has taken a bold step forward with the EliteBook X G1a. Unlike its competitors, HP emphasizes meaningful AI integration. The device includes the AI Companion app, which allows users to interact naturally with their documents. Imagine effortlessly retrieving specifications from large press kits, no more endless searching through files. Additionally, the upgraded Poly Camera Pro enhances webcam functionality, offering advanced controls for brightness, saturation, and contrast. Here are the key specifications. CPU, AMD Ryzen AI series. GPU, up to AMD Radeon 890M. Display, 14-inch, up to 2880 by 1800, IPS or OLED, 16:10 aspect ratio, optional touch. RAM, up to 64GB DDR5-8000. Storage, up to 2TB SSD. Battery, 74.5 wear. Charging, 100W charger. Ports, 2x Thunderbolt 4, 1x USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, 1x USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A, 1x HDMI 2.1, audio jack. Operating system, Windows 11. Webcam, 5MP with IR. Connectivity, MediaTek MT7925 Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4. Weight, 3.3 pounds, 1.499 kilograms. Form factor, clamshell. Color, natural silver. This innovative approach reflects a deeper understanding of user needs, transforming how we work and communicate. The standout moment for the EliteBook X G1a lies in its unique capabilities powered by the exclusive 55 TOPS NPU. In practical terms, this means the laptop can perform AI tasks more efficiently and intuitively than ever before. It's a tool that doesn't just work for you but learns from you, truly a leap forward in AI integration for PCs. The HP EliteBook X G1a is not just another laptop, it's a significant advancement in the realm of AI computing, designed to elevate productivity and streamline workflows. If you found this exploration of the EliteBook X G1a intriguing, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights and reviews. Your support helps us continue bringing you the latest in technology. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more exciting tech content with you.